Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Dr. Kaustubh Kishore Kumar Purkar, presenting the topic Importance of various Nyayas or the maxims in the study of Ayurvedic text with special reference to Go Balivardhana. Under the guidance of Dr. Vinita V. Deshmukh, HOD and Professor, Department of Ayurveda Samhita Siddhanta, BSDT Ayurveda College, Wagholi, Pune, Maharashtra, India. Now we will see the Nyaya. The definition says Praman Sugrah Darko Nyaya, a popular maxim or opposite illustration. Nyaya quoted in Grantha are in different contexts like the method, rule, system, plan, judgment, standard, principles, way, logical proof, conclusion and the manner. Nextly, we will see the significance of Nyaya. It shows the developmental milestones of Sanskrit literature, closely resembles with human life, explain hidden things or the meanings, explain topic in more practical manner, useful to understand differential diagnosis and the treatment principles of various diseases. Use of Nyaya avoids the Punarukti Tantra Dosha. So there are many kind of references in Sanskrit literature which shows the use of various Nyaya. For Dhatu quotient, we all know that Dharekopat Nyaya, like in the context of principles like literature study, here the Gobalivardhana Nyaya is used. So in basic principles, the Svabhav Varnavada and next is the Gunakshar Nyaya is used. And in the context of Indriya Dharma, the Shatapatra Vedam Nyaya is used. So my topic is Gobalivardhana. This Nyaya states the peculiarity in generality, that is Vishesha in Samanya. The next slide shows the Balivardhana. So here we say this Nyaya is used whenever it is necessary to show more significance about specific topic. When the people say bring cattle with bull, it specifies more peculiarity about bull. In other words, we can say that it is the expression to denote when pleonasm is allowed. So here pleonasm means it is the use of more words than is necessary for clear expression. And lastly, in simple words, it is the maximum of bull and the cattle. Next thing, these are some references of Gobalivardhana used in Charak Samhita. In Charak Samhita Sutrasthana, Dirganjivita Adhyaya, 25th Shloka, Shlok says, so Anantaparam Stri Skandam, Ayurvedam Mahamati. So here, Acharya used both words, that is Ananta and Para. So Ananta word denotes the infinity of Ayurveda and Para also denotes the same, that is the bringing across. So that's why the Acharya says, Para Shabdo, Priyor Api, Nadi Kula Vivaksha, that is the both banks of river, either or it is the Ananta Moksha. So the whole statement says that one word, the Ayurveda is infinite. That's how does any kind of formula for Ayurveda. So nextly, in next slide, we will go to, this is the explanation given for the same. And next, in Charak Samhita Sutrasthana, Navegandharani Adhyaya, 42nd Shloka, here the Shloka in the context of Malayan Dushti, where underlying word dushte denotes the kshaya of that mala. So Sutra says Malayanani pathyante dushte matrathika mala. Here Chakrapani quotes the same dushte the Gobalivardhana Nyayena Kshinaya. It is not important to, as a Vruddhi is not only important, the Kshaya is also important during the Dushti of Mala. Here is the explanation for the same. The next is in the Charak Samhita Sutra Sthana, Sneha Adhyaya, 7th Shloka. Acche Sanshodhana cha eva snehe ka pratishyate. So while explaining the Snehapana Nirdesha, Agnivesha asked in what context of Snehapana is Nirdesha. So Acharya says the Acche. Acche means Samshamana and next is Samshodhana. So Snehapana is not only the Snehapana is not only said only in Samshodhana but also in Samshamana they can use Snehapana. So the explanation is given here. In next, in Charak Samhita Nidana Sthara, Jvara Nidana Adhyaya, 11th Shloka. So here classification of Samprapti is done. Here Vidhi type of Samprapti is discussed. The Samprapti classifies under Sankhya etc. As Acharya says, Vidhi type of Samprapti does the classification, that is virtue on variety. That's why by using this Nyaya, the word Vidhi is used. In next, in Charak Samhita Indriya Sthala, Anujotir Indriya 21st shloka, where the shlok says, whenever a person with his mind shrouded with red delusion doesn't see things even though his eyes are unaffected, and because of that he calls out his own relative again and again. That's why the shloka says, Ahelastam samipastam swajanam janam eva mahamoha vrittamana pashyanapi na pashyati. Here the underlined word janam eva is quoted for the swajanam, that is his own people. The same explanation given in this slide. Nextly, in Charak Samhita Chikitsa Sthana, Kushta Chikitsa Adhyaya, 92nd shloka, in the context of describing various kashaya or the medicine for kushta. So Acharya add the word tvak dosha and kushta. Though tvak dosha, kushta is a tvak dosha. Also that, but also the Acharya add tvak dosha because it increases the velocity of that kashaya. So it increases the scope of that kashaya. So by tvak dosha shabdena, gopalivardhanyayana, ilasa vyangadinandrana. That Acharya says that because of tvak dosha, we can denote that he denote the filas and vyanga for the diseases. Lastly, in Charak Samhita Chardi Chikitsa Adhyaya 6th shloka, Doshe Pradaktiva Ashtarasno Vishnartha Yoga Tapi Panchamitsa. This is a nice example given in the context of this Nyaya, because the Chakrapani says Prati Purusha Niyata Dvishthatva Muchyate. Though the Chardi occurs due to Dosha Prabhava and also the Vishnartha. Somebody gets vomits because of fresh wound, because of blood, because of puti puya, but somebody also gets vomit because of good sense also, like perfume, deos or like that also. So it depends on the individuality. That's why the same Nyaya states the individuality on person to person. It depends on every person to person how he affects. The next slide shows the same explanation. Lastly, after seeing all these explanations, we will see the conclusion. That is the concept of Nyaya or this maxim and its application widely used in Ayurvedic Grantha, which are more practical and closely resembles with human life. Next is Nyaya, easiest instrument and technique to understand the science. Next is Gopalivardhan Nyaya states, reasoning based on generality and particularity, that is Vishesha in Samanya, or to highlight certain topics. These are the some references where Nyaya are quoted. Lastly, I want to thank ex-directorate of Ayurveda, Government of Maharashtra, Dr. Ananta Dharmadhikari, and my HOD, all the faculty staff, and lastly the organizer, Dr. Arvind Patel, for kindly help. Thank you.